Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another PrizePicks video. I'm gonna go ahead and make this one quick because, man, I am running out of time. I gotta get to work, and my computer has been messing up on me right now. It's been freezing, or at least not my computer, but this app has been freezing on me. This is like my fourth time trying to make this video. So let's get to it. The free to play yesterday cashed. We took Amen and MPJ to go over their projections. That ended up cashing for us. And look, we're so close to having a huge day. Harrison Barnes couldn't get those 2 3-pointers made. And Tim Hardaway Jr., honestly, we got robbed out of this 4-man 10x play because Tim Hardaway Jr. did get a steal. They just did not count it in his favor. I watched that game, man. I literally saw him poke the ball out of somebody's hand and it bounced off someone else's shin, and then it went out of bounds, and they counted it as a turnover, but they did not give our boy the steal, which really screwed up our play here. But it's all good. Let's get to it, man. So let's go to playerpropshop.com. They're giving you an entire week for free. All you have to do to go ahead and get the free week, right? You add a week subscription to your cart, and then you put code PropShop at checkout, and this $39 price becomes zero, man. You don't pay a single cent for the player prop shop on your first week, just to see if you even freaking like it, man. So what other website does that? Just to see if you even freaking like it. And look, these are all the player props. So this was yesterday, right? These are not today. They haven't updated their player props, which is not likely. Then they usually have it updated by now. But you can see here, we go down here with MPJ over 16.5 points. They gave us what the price was at, -128. And then they give you a nice detailed analysis of why they like the player, right? So we went ahead and locked that in over 16.5 points and combined that with Amen Thompson over 22.5 points plus rebounds at -114. Same thing, man. So again, it's not updated, but it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all my plays that I like for today, and we're gonna go ahead and take Jaden Ivey over 3.5 assists, as well as Anthony Edwards over 0.5 block shots, man. So the reason why we're taking Jaden Ivey over 3.5 assists, because he got this last time against Boston. They're going up against the Celtics again today, so let's look for him to do the exact same thing that he did, if not more, man. And like, he was so close to getting that against the Pacers, but I was hesitant on taking Jaden Ivey over 3.5 assists again today, but man, the plus expected value for this play is just way too good, man. Way too good. So I can't pass it up, man. I'm not a Detroit Pistons fan. I'm not a Jaden Ivey fan. I'm just a fan of money. So that's why I just go with the best expected value. So we're gonna go ahead and take Jaden Ivey over 3.5 assists, as well as Anthony Edwards over 0.5 block shots. And you can see here, man, he's been going off in this department lately. So let's go ahead. Let's look for him to do it again. He hasn't had back-to-back games where he doesn't get a block shot lately. So let's look for him to bounce back from this Denver game and get a block shot for us. Going up against the Cavaliers today, man. I already locked that play in. I put $20 to go ahead and win $60, man. All right, everyone, make sure you lock it in. Go to playerpropshop.com/DSP. The link is in the description down below. Pretty easy, pretty quick video. Let's go ahead, let's lock it in, and let's make some money. All right, everyone, take care. Have a great day. Have a beautiful Friday. Enjoy your Friday, and let's get ready for the weekend.